guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. It's football season, so we're gonna make some cowboy dip to eat while the games are playing. So let me bring you down here, show you what we got. So we're gonna start out with half a cup of sour cream, two blocks of cream cheese, and then it said, what was it? Somewhere is corn in there. There, it says 2 cups of frozen sweet corn, but I couldn't find the frozen corn in the refrigerator or in the freezer, so I just got a pint of corn that I had canned up this summer. It won't be as crisp, but it'll work. And then a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, a can of green chilies, the diced green chilies, and then a pound of spicy sausage. It said to get it in the casings and remove, but I just bought ground sausage, so I didn't have to take it out of the casing. We're just going to stir this up a little bit. What have I missed? 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese, half a cup of diced jalapenos. I had like 2 big ones and 1 small one. I took the seeds out of the big ones and left it in the small ones. Half a cup of green onions. I'm just putting the tops in there. And then a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and cayenne to taste. I'm just gonna put like about half a teaspoon of cayenne in there. And we're gonna mix all that up. I got the oven already heated up to 350. So I'm gonna put it in there and just until all the cheeses melt and gets gooey. You could also put it in your crock pot, but the oven's a lot faster. So I'll bring you back when I take it out. Okay, so it's been in the oven for like 30 minutes. I took it out at 20 minutes to see how it was and stirred it up. It still had some clumps from the cream cheese, so I put it in there a little longer. But I'm just going to give it a little stir. And then you're going to top it with some more shredded cheese. Yeah, that was hot. And then some of the tops from the green onions. I'm going to let it sit here and cool off a little bit. I'm going to get Mike to come and try it. Okay, so actually, it's got to go back in the oven to melt the cheese on top. So I'm going to put it back in there for like 5 minutes to melt that, and then we'll bring it back.
All right, we're back. Actually, I just got here. She's been here. I'm going to try this dip out. I sent her this recipe, trying to figure out if it's something that we thought we would like. Got a lot of Italian sausage in that one. It was really good. Is that my Italian sausage or the other?
No.
No what?
I bought some.
You bought some? Ours was frozen. We asked for this today, so. Well, it's good. Highly recommend you try it. Hope to see you back next time on Our Texas Homestead. And got a lot of videos coming out for you. A big round of them going to come out daily. And hope you enjoy them. So. We'll see you again here soon. Thanks for watching.